Worship, I do confirm that I'm appearing on behalf of the two accused before court, Your Worship. Your Worship, in this matter, indeed, we received docket contents. We requested, Your Worship, that we be afforded with an opportunity to consult with the two accused, Your Worship. And indeed, we arranged the date of the 7th of July for consultation. Accused number 1 is in custody, accused number 2 in Stonewall, Your Worship. We request a chief reward for the next court date, Your Worship, as the cases.
This matter to postpone until the 7th of July for consultation. Accused number 1 in custody, accused number 2 for the 7th of July.
Case number 1RC 59 of 2022, Rosemary Ndlovu in custody. Today's date is the 31st of May 2022. The appearance is as follows. Presiding Officer Mr. Banyati, Public Prosecutor Mrs. Nomalo, standing in for Advocate Williams, and the interpreter is Mr. Shabiwa. For the defense is Mr. Malotane. Ms. Baloyi Makamu was previously appearing for the accused.
As a court business, Worship, I do confirm that I will be coming on record for this matter. Worship, there has been arrangement that has been made for the in relation to the postponement. It will be the same date as the previous matter. Worship, with the request of God, I wish to address the worship in relation to something untoward that had occurred. Worship, we gonna escalate a complaint to the relevant authorities in relation to the complainant in this matter, who appears to also be an investigating officer for the matter that he is the complainant. The allegation is that he conducted a prosecutor in Tembisa, a colleague of my colleague who used to work together.
Yeah.
Asking about peculiar information about my colleague. Where does she reside? Who is she? Where does she hang out? With whom is she married? The worship, that raises a grave concern for our office. And as such, we gonna duly escalate the complaint to the relevant authorities, South African Police Services, to have this addressed, because the motive for that is not known to the defense, and it's unethical behavior that a complainant in the matter phones defense for what reason. That is going to be addressed, Your Worship. We just wanted to place that on record, and appropriate remedies are going to be explored. That's the court business. a fonela prosecutor la tshembisa a vutisa ku ri n'wana ra mina u tshama kwini u chatile na ku kahlekahle loko a nga ri ntirhweni u va a ri kwini se n'wana ra mina Mr. Malotana u ri u ta yisa henhla a yisa maphoriseni ku ri va yi lavisisa mhaka leyi hikuva a swi fani ku ri phorisa leyi nga khoma case ya n'wina a ya a lavisisana na ku n'wana ra mina u tshama kwihi so u ta nghenisa complaint.
Now, if I understand you, Mr. Malotana, you say the complainant in this matter is also an investigating officer.
Your Worship, the annex shall reflect same. Worship, I might be saying the complaint, it might be the complainant in the other matter, Worship. But I'm made to believe that the complainant
Well, do you have the name of the complainant?
in the other matter, we should consider the next charge that I'm having in this matter. The name is, it's different. No, Worship, it is. I'm made to believe it's Keshi Mabunda.
Keshi Mabunda.
Yes, Worship.
So he is phoning the attendant, Ms.
The
Makam,
complainant, who is an investigating officer, is phoning my colleague.
who's a defense
who's
for
the
accused
defense
number one.
For accused number one.
Yeah.
Wanting to know peculiar information which is personal about my colleague. Worship, we raise this in light of what had occurred to our colleague in Venda, who was shot and killed whilst he was getting into his own yard. So we're raising that concern in light of that. The investigating officer, who is the complainant in this matter, is phoning my colleague. Is phoning the colleague who's the prosecutor, asking about my colleague.
Personal information.
Personal information.
Stick.
Your Worship, I believe the issues that are raised by the defense, they can be ventilated outside this court through proper procedures, them putting in a formal complaint and directing it to the relevant authorities. The relevant authorities will be the South African Police Service, Your Worship. I have nothing further to address with regards to that.
And Mr. Malotana said that you're going to escalate that to the police or whoever.
Worship, I've been mandated an office to escalate the complaint. Our office is going to escalate it to the relevant station command.
Yeah, I think the next appearance I would expect that the state and the defense actually have to address me, because that is, if that is the situation, that's very much unethical, and we cannot allow such particular situation, taking into account as the defense is saying that one of their colleague in Venda was shot because of the same situation for no apparent reason. So that is a very serious allegation, and if it happens, it's very much unethical. I need more information on the next occasion. The fact that the state that must be escalated is not enough for me. So next time the state must actually respond as to whether that did happen, and if it took place, then why was it done in that particular way. So the next time, when the next appearance, that must be addressed.
I agree with the court, Worship. As soon as we see the side of the formal complaint, we will then be able to address the court. As for now, Your Worship, I'm requesting that the matter be remanded to the 7th of July as arranged with the defense for accused number, the other accused number here to be arrested.
Sorry, another one.
Worship, I do confirm the date that the defendant is being communicated and agreed upon by both parties.
Ma'am, the matter will be also be postponed until the 7th of July for consultation. apparently also for the arrest of another person. But at this particular stage, we are in custody, no bail until the 7th of July. And further, the state and the defense will address the court in respect of any allegations that are leveled against the
Understood?
The court will reject.
Okay. Thanks.
Because once you are your ship, Mona,
I
was talking to you. Don't stress issues of that. I'm not going to stress issues of that.
Yeah.
So that you can get to
and the court, like I said, is right. All he needs to do is to note it, not for us to debate it.
That's fine. No, it's all right. That one. Okay. It's nothing. No, for less. Yeah.